Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week we are going to do a tumbler box and a bird feeder. And then I just want to give a big shout out to my hubby. It was his birthday Wednesday. Happy birthday, and I hope many more years to come. I bought a round box from Hobby Lobby and it was $7.99. Then you want to spray paint it. I spray painted it white, but then I changed my mind and I spray painted it black. Then I bought these red roses from the dollar store and they came in a bunch. So what I did was I wire cut them into individual roses. So here is the black box. And then I got these foam from Joann Fabrics. They sell in a block, which is cheaper. Okay, so these are the foams from the craft store. What we're going to do is we're going to put it into this box that we colored. It's going to rip it apart. So since it's really big, I'm just going to put these in first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this one in half, and they're really easy, so you just use a knife to cut it in half. Just be careful so you don't rip the box. And if you're halfway, break it like that. Okay, and probably another one just to fill these two spots. So I put it in here. I just cut two more and I just put it in here so it just looks like this. You don't need to fill all the spaces because the rose is not going to fill all the spaces. So I've cut these from the stem already and I have not measured it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it close to the edge here and then just push it in like that. And you want to measure it so that this, just the top is showing like that. Okay? So once I do a little bit more, I'll show you guys. So I just put the roses on the edge of the box and it looks like this. And then I'm just going to do probably another row here, but you want to do it in between the roses. In between the roses here, like in between like this one. And then just keep going until you get to the middle. What you would need is a ruler, a pencil, a block of wood, which we bought this from Home Depot for 55 cents, a 6,000, a wine glass bottle, and a saucer from Walmart for 89 cents. Our wine glass measured 13.5 inches tall, so on a board, that's what we measure. And on the bottom for the saucer, it is 3 inches tall.
So we made our first pre-drilled hole, and we're going to make our second pre-drilled hole. So we made our two pre-drilled holes. Now we want to line up the back of the board at the bottom of the pre-drilled holes so you don't crack the board, and that way they're both lined up. bottle you guys are using. You want to make the proper adjustments to, and we're going to be drilling 2 pre-drilled holes on the bottom, be holding the bottle up with some chicken wire. We're going to make one over here to catch the edge, and then we're also going to make one up on top here to catch this back edge. Now I'm going to make my pre-drill holes. Right now I'm using a 332, and really it all depends on what size chicken wire you guys are using for it. Screwing in 2 screws in the bottom of the bottom plate and the back wall plate. Now we're going to be inserting the chicken wire into the back to hold the bird feeder bottle there. Now before you cut it in the back, you want to try and fit the bottle in there, then line it up to wherever you want it. And from that, hold the bottle, and kind of tighten it up in the back there. Now that you have your wire through, go ahead, grab them together, twist them a little bit just to start off. Grab a pliers. Twist them from the back. Make sure you get a secure tightening. You're gonna have a little bit of excess, which is fine. You can just go ahead and just trim off the excess there. So now you have your 2 wires, your chicken wires in the back, holding it up. Make sure to either grab a small hammer or something and just kind of bend them down. They're pretty flexible. So now we're going to take our little jar for the bird food to go down. Make sure you put an even coat on the outside of your jar here. This E6000 works pretty good in all elements of weather. We'll go ahead and place it on the bottom of our feeder. Now we're going to take our jar for the top. This is going to be their water jar. Again, we're going to use this E6000 glue. We're going to sit on the outside of the rim. Doesn't really do any good putting it in the center because, well, I guess depending on what kind of bottle you have, it's a flat surface top bottle, or most bottles I know they kind of have that arc in it, so it doesn't really do any good putting glue in the center of it. We're going to go ahead and line it up on the top of the bottle here. Kind of rotate it a little bit. Get it lined up. So this is our finished bird feeder / watering hole. Pretty simple, pretty cheap to make. Not much to it. Takes maybe 20 minutes to do, really.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. And until next time, we'll see you guys. Bye.